Hello, my name is Danny with Snow Bear Heat and Air. I want to show you guys how to clean a flame sensor on a gas furnace. So let me show you where that flame sensor is located. If you look right here, right there, where my screwdriver's pointed at, that's where that flame sensor is located. It's right there, and it sits right in the flames of the gas burners. So you want to take a screwdriver and remove the screw that's holding that flame sensor in. That's the flame sensor right there, and it's connected to one wire. So you remove that wire, pull that wire off. And that's what the flame sensor looks like. And you get a really soft file. You don't want really jagged edges. And you just get it and you just clean it off. You're removing all the carbon off of the flame sensor. That carbon is what's keeping the flame sensor from reading to the control board. So that's it, and you hook that wire back up to the flame sensor. So we'll put that wire back on there. Get the screw and screw it right back in that's holding that flame sensor down. Okay, and that's how you clean the flame sensor. And if you need any assistance, you can give us a call at 806-367-9416. We do offer $7 diagnostic fees, or you can reach us at snowbearair.com. Thank you.